On my way to Colorado, first stop here, a little rest stop in West Virginia. Got the truck loaded. Yeah, this is all for one person. Problem with Colorado, even though the weather says it's supposed to be nice, you never know, so you gotta pack a bunch of crap. Hot, cold, dry top, dry suit, shorty, whatever. Got a couple different boats. Hot Whip, the Ninja, and the Indra. Still stuck in West Virginia. Slow going here, slow going. Well, one good thing about traveling, you get to see some beautiful sunsets, sunrises, all that kind of stuff. So pretty. Out here in Kentucky. Somewhere in Indiana for a minute before maybe going to Illinois, then Missouri. Getting low on fuel right now though, people. 38 miles to empty, and no gas stations in sight, so a little worried. Alright, good morning everybody. Actually been driving for like 45 minutes now. Woke up and like stopped at a rest stop. Slept for a couple hours. In the front seat of the car, real comfortable. Back on the road. Got about another 45 minutes to St. Louis, Missouri, I guess. Keep on trucking here. Sun's starting to come up, so keep me awake. Alright, so once you kind of get past Illinois area, start getting into Missouri and stuff, that's pretty much what it's like the rest of the drive. Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, whatever way you come. Yeah, just flat for hours and hours and hours. Gotta be careful with tornadoes. They are a real thing out here, so always check your weather if you're driving out here.
Chicks out here, hot
St.
chicks,
Louis?
put them in bikinis, tell the customers if they get their car washed, we'll give them like a discount on tires or something. That's gonna work, dude. Look at this, millions of views.
Close it out. It is indistinguishable.
Downtown Kansas City. Travis Kelce, Patrick Mahomes, where you at? It's never a good feeling when you're in these flat states and you see a nice black cloud like that. Got another Nebraska storm here. This is early morning. Alright, in Nebraska somewhere. Feeling the fatigue now. Going on like 1 hour of sleep. It's now like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Starting to struggle a little bit. I have to pull over soon. But yeah, made it to Nebraska. Next stop, I believe, is Colorado. Got here a few hours ago, but I went and took a shower, refreshed, went to Applebee's over there to eat. Staying at the Hampton Inn tonight. Yeah, I'm here in North Platte, Nebraska, I guess it is. It's about 4 hours away from, gonna be way down at the Pooter tomorrow. You can almost immediately tell when you're in Colorado. It just starts getting a little more hilly everywhere, rather than all flat land for the past 3 states. There you go, finally in Colorado.
I'll see you.
That's an interesting gas station name.
I was like, this is my favorite gas station. And I was like,
Wade's favorite gas station. I was on the way to Big Thompson. Entering in Big Thompson Canyon. Man, this thing is canyoning, boy. Get it shot. this is trash can rapid on Big Thompson's up above where you put in for the Narrows. Not run by a lot of people, but not gonna be run by myself either.
You'll really see why going right kills you when you get down here. Look where it all goes.
Look at that nasty sieve. Holy, that's a siphon if I've ever seen one. Woo!
That's a perfect.
Not to mention your tree, you get siphoned under
So
the...
even if you came out of the tree, you're like, I'm out of the tree. Right where you booth, see where your booth is? You're gonna have to booth to the left because a booth over the center obviously puts you right in there.
It's a bull snake. I think it's pretty. It's a big one. Watch where you get bit, everybody.
Ow! Oh man, the mat's out. Oh shit.
Check that out, snow-covered mountains.
At least we got a bathroom.
I mean, look at that. It's like 5 foot deep right there.
It's solid though. Feet.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Fill this water.
Beautiful. This is ice water. Good gosh, that's cold. Look at that. That is so pretty. Don't get much better than this. This is better than kayaking.
Yeah, this is awesome, dude. I ain't gonna mess with him.
Look at that moose.
Hey, Moose, come back, man. Okay,
No, don't come back.
you want to wrestle? Matt's a wrestler.
Goodbye, Buena Vista. Awesome time. It's always beautiful here. Thanks to our friend Noel for having us over, giving us a place to crash. Look at that view when you wake up. Can't beat that. Alright, we're on Independence Pass. You can see there's still a lot of snow up here. You can see how once deep it was, like 5 to 6 foot deep on the sides. And as we keep going up, it gets deeper and deeper. This is a lot of where the water comes from to fill all these rivers. Kind of crazy. Totally different than the southeast. They're all dam released. Just keep going up and up and up and up and up. Look at those mountains. Pretty awesome. You gotta be careful too. Don't be texting on your phone. Fly off this edge and be gone. You can see right here how deep the snow is. Look at that. It's like 12 foot deep. These passes aren't open all year. They're only open a certain time because obviously you couldn't get through here. It'd be too dangerous. This is crazy. Look how deep this is. Fall in and be over my head. There's Wade out there. So awesome. You be very careful of the snow. It's super deep in some places. All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, come on. Here we are in the little town of Aspen, where it costs fortunes to live. Who knows how much houses here cost? Probably like $5 million for a little tiny house. Super cool little town though. Kind of nestled in these mountains in between. There's Vail, home of the GoPro Mountain Games. And a lot of cool skiing. All right, Colorado, peace out.